Right, okay then, time to build up the Decksweeper. I like the look of this guy just because he's got this cool multi-barrel cannon on him. So let's start off getting him together with 11 and 12. I like it, it's a compact organ gun, I'm going to call this. Looks nicely kind of condensed together. Hopefully this is nice, easy put together. I suspect if we are going to have any problems, it's going to be nearer the gun. But looking at the instructions, it doesn't seem that bad. Number 13 for the head. And always remember that if you have if you manage to get 2 sets of these, you can just do some of them with regular weapons. Okay, what else have we got here? So number 17, the big backpack. I love these things, these backpacks. They're kind of like an interesting combination of what looks like a ammo store, but potentially even a breathing apparatus. Right, now 18 and 19 for the main body of this weapon. Definitely live up to its name as being a deck sweeper. It definitely looks like it'll rip everything to pieces. 18. Although I imagine it could also be a very dangerous weapon for other people if they got too close. Yeah, you've got to make sure that this guy's standing at the front, don't you? Kind of semi reminds me of a volley gun as well, where you've got multiple barrels, but unlike a volley gun that's got multiple barrels and they're all kind of facing in one direction, this is very clearly a wide shrapnel weapon. Okay, and then we need number 14. And I think we just need to get these together. So again, it's quite clear cut about how these go together now, isn't it? I think after you've done a few of them, it becomes sort of just like obvious about what you need to do next. Oh, come on. It doesn't hold together, this one, does it? Let's get that arm on. Touch that through there. Pop that into there. This arm doesn't want to line up, does it? There we go. Right, and that appears to be it. It's as simple as that. So that is our Decksweeper. Sure, to be honest, doesn't feel like the arms perfectly fit together to my mind, but I think, yeah, there we go. Excellent. Yep, so that is our beautiful Decksweeper. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.